All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Dylan Durazairo. I am the COO at the Nebraska Innovation Labs. Now, you're probably all here today wondering what the Innovation Labs is, and I think that's best explained by our why. What is our why? It's to grow Nebraska. What does that mean? For anyone in here who started a company based on some software or an app, knows navigating this landscape is not easy when factoring in things like cost, understanding the tech, and knowing who to trust, and much more. And for anyone in here who's trying to find an internship while in school or an entry-level job after graduation, knows navigating this landscape is not easy as well. Finding opportunities in general is difficult, and finding meaningful opportunities is even more difficult. So the Innovation Labs was invented to solve this issue. The Nebraska Innovation Labs is a nonprofit software development company. We operate as a nonprofit and can charge a low cost for software development by taking students or recent graduates and pairing them with senior developers to achieve low cost software development. While achieving this low cost development, this also gives the next generation of students an opportunity to get some real hands-on experience and an unprecedented item for their portfolio. So now you're probably all thinking, great, a low-cost development shop, but there's more than that. First, all of our developers are local here in Nebraska, in Omaha, in our office, and we encourage the founders to meet with them as much as they want to ensure a good product development process. Second, every project has its own dedicated team. This avoids any possible errors or reduced output that can be seen when assigning multiple projects to a single team. And finally, outside of software development, we help startups in the other various stages, including fundraising, patents, and much more. The current market. In terms of the options in the current market, the biggest one is for-profit development shops, and there's two types. First is domestic development. Here, you get high quality development, but with that comes a high price and often not much long-term, follow-up. The second is overseas development. Here, you get lower cost, you get still decently good quality, and still not much long-term viability. The next option is to get a technical co-founder. This is actually the best route, and we encourage our founders, if possible, to find a technical co-founder even over working with us. And we can do that because we're a nonprofit. Our goal isn't to make money, it's to help you. If we were to get the funds, this would be used for project buffers, when there's a ramp-up time, to fund new technology and fund other growth operations such as marketing, going to events, etc. In conclusion, the Nebraska Innovation Labs is here to help grow companies and grow talent in the state. Thank you.